Are you a beginner looking to start your cryptocurrency journey in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best cryptocurrencies to watch and invest in this year, helping you make informed decisions as you step into the world of digital assets. Cryptocurrency can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can navigate this exciting market successfully. Let's start by highlighting the top cryptocurrencies that every beginner should consider in 2025. First on our list is Bitcoin. As the original cryptocurrency, Bitcoin remains the most widely recognized and trusted digital asset. With strong institutional backing and continuous growth, Bitcoin is often seen as a safe entry point for beginners looking to get started in crypto. Next, we have Ethereum. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform for decentralized applications, or dApps. With its smart contract technology, Ethereum allows developers to build innovative projects, making it an exciting asset for beginners to watch in 2025. Salana is another cryptocurrency to watch closely in 2025. Known for its incredibly fast transaction speeds and low fees, Salana is gaining attention as a strong alternative to Ethereum. With more developers flocking to its network, Salana could become a key player in the crypto space. Cardano is another cryptocurrency that has garnered significant interest. With its eco-friendly approach and focus on sustainability, Cardano is setting itself apart from the competition. Its scientific and research-driven approach makes it a solid investment for the future. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that enables smart contracts to securely interact with external data. As more projects rely on Chainlink for data feeds, it's expected to play a vital role in the growth of blockchain technology. This makes it a cryptocurrency you shouldn't overlook in 2025. Polkadot aims to solve one of blockchain's biggest challenges: interoperability. It allows different blockchains to communicate with each other, enhancing scalability and network efficiency. Polkadot could see strong growth as blockchain ecosystems continue to expand. As a beginner in 2025, these 5 cryptocurrencies are your best bets to watch and potentially invest in. Remember, always do your own research and consider the risks before making any investment decisions. The crypto market can be volatile, but with careful planning, it can also offer exciting opportunities. Start your crypto journey today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into the world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are starting their crypto journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.